want to raise this pot up because I think it'll actually look more beautiful and protect the wood floor from any damage from water leaking from the pot. So I got the Mkono Plant Stand. I got this one because it will not actually cover any of this beautiful pot. It only is below it, and it should be very stable and look great in my entryway. It comes very well packaged, so it should be in great condition. So here are the pieces, very sturdy. This is definitely a solid piece. I like the brown color. It's a little warmer and it looks good with my fir floor. And to put it together is very straightforward. I'm just gonna slide those in and spin it together. It comes with all the hardware and the felt tips for the bottoms. Adding the felt tips. It's looking good. Let's put it under my pot. I love it. It gives the height I want for that space, so it's a little more in line with the tall palm next to it, and it just looks really good. That is a great base. Definitely recommend it. The Mkono Plant Stand.